Hello, I'm doing a studio vlog, and by studio I definitely mean my bedroom. Look at my studio cat. I used to call these art vlogs, but I was focusing too much on non-art related things, so I'm gonna be calling these studio vlogs now, and I'm gonna be doing more art related stuff, starting with a sketchbook session. Hello, hi, it is I. I really want to get better at character illustration, so I'm following the Skillshare tutorial, and you're supposed to like start off by making just random marks with gouache and then putting in some pencil crayons on top, and I'm gonna do that. But it's always so hard because the person doing the tutorial is obviously very good at it, and so she's like, yeah, put down some random marks, read the shapes, and come up with some characters. And I'm like, okay, well, I have the shapes, but I don't see any characters, and I don't know how to go about it. But we're gonna try anyways. I also played around last night because I'm trying to learn color theory, so I played around and made some color wheels with some warms and some cools from the Himi gouache palette, and it's definitely really interesting. Just from the swatches alone, like, I'm learning a lot, so I'm really glad that I'm actually starting to finally play around, because I never let myself do that before, and I don't know how I thought I was going to learn color theory just through like osmosis or something. But yeah, let's make some characters. I'm doing it, but I'm very uncomfortable. I certainly like see things in the shapes. Oh, Rachel, baby. Hello, crazy lady. Yeah, I certainly see things in the shapes, which is cool. I have an imagination, but I just like don't have enough expertise to follow through. Like, I definitely just need to learn more about anatomy, because I don't know like how the limbs are supposed to go. I think that's like very deceiving. Certainly before I got into art, like, I would see a lot of like illustrations and it looks easier, but you still need a really good foundation of like where things are supposed to go, otherwise it doesn't quite look right. And also I have no idea what to do with faces. I tried my best. It was a pretty good exercise. We'll see if I can turn it into something a little more coherent. I'm only halfway through the tutorial, so I'll show you what I do for my final like project. Oop, would you look at that, it's nighttime. I wanted to show you the rest of the tutorial was taking one of the sketches that you made and then expanding on it into a more like concise character illustration. And I just did some very basic sketches. I am too tired today, to be honest, to continue with the gouache, but I wanted to show you what I ended up with. So I took this little guy that looks like he's walking. It looks like a fist, not a leg. Anyways, and I made this guy that's kind of crossing the street. I don't know if I like it. I might switch the background to something else, but for now he's crossing a street. He's got a very large nose. Yeah, and then I took this guy that looks like he's stretching and he's got a birthday hat on, and I sketched him out, and then, oh, let me not show you yet. Yeah, I sketched him out, and then I just kept adding things, and it turned into a really cute scene that I really want to like draw properly eventually. But here it is. It's kind of like an older man, and he's got his kitty, and it's the kitty's birthday. He gets some cake over here, and he's sitting on the floor in front of his couch, and he's watching telly with his kitty for his birthday. I thought it was so cute. So I will sketch this out with gouache eventually, and then maybe I'll make like a full-on like scene with it, because it's so cute. Men who love cats are everything. It tells me everything I need to know about you if you love cats. Okay, so I did end up finishing it. For this guy, I just made his legs a little bit shorter, and then I erased like all the stuff around, and then just kind of played around with this because I really wasn't feeling the crossing the street scene. And then this guy, I ended up coloring it in. Not like in love with my color choices, but I don't think it's terrible. I'm really proud of the way like his body ended up turning out. And look at this tiny little cute kitty. I cannot. And it's the kitty's birthday, so they're having red velvet cake. I think I could probably incorporate a little more red like elsewhere maybe, just for it to be a little more harmonious. But yeah, from this to this. That is it for today's art adventures. I will see you in the next clip. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. I just sat down to film, and my dad told me that there was something in the mailbox, and a package arrived from Sandra Majoli Cat, or Mayoli Cat on Instagram. We've been friends for a while now, like a year and maybe a bit, ever since I started posting on Instagram in I think 2021. So I'm so excited for this. She finally opened her shop, and I got to buy some goodies off of her Etsy, and it's here. My plant, no. Here is the package, Sandra. Thank you. I'm so excited to open it. The mailer is only a little bit kind of bent, but I think that's pretty good for considering it came all the way from Croatia. I'm so excited. Okay, so I got a few stickers and a print of hers. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, she sent me more print. Hold on, oh my gosh. Okay, wait, this is everything. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna double check to make sure there's nothing left in there. There isn't. I'll be sure to save this thing because I want to use it in the future for my own stuff. It's recyclable. She's very good about being like environmentally friendly and cautious about like the materials that she uses. Oh, she sent me a little card. Oh my god, look. And I'm so excited for this because like it's a thank you card, right? But I can just put it on my wall. Like, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, these are all the stickers. I know that she said they turned out a little bit bigger than she wanted them to, but honestly I love that and I'm so excited for it. She sent me, oh my god, she sent me extra goodies. I only ordered these, I think these 3, and then afterwards I was like, oh, like I'm kind of sad. I really wanted this one as well. Anyways, I'm so excited because I was about to do my like art journal video, so I'm gonna put down a sticker. I don't know which one, but I'm definitely gonna use a sticker to go on top of this one. They're really good. They're like quality vinyl stickers, and I saw on her Instagram that one of her friends put it on a post outside, and it's been there for a week and it's still doing good despite bad weather. So these are very sturdy. I'm really excited for it. But let's, oh wait, I didn't even like properly show them. Look, it's a kitty. This one says ditch plastic. Ooh. I'm thinking when I get my own like water bottle, well actually I have a water bottle, but if I get like one of those like metal ones, I'll put this on there. This one is probably my favorite. It's a little foxy fox and some flowersies. Born to nap. This one is so cute. I love it. This one is a Sharky Shark. I think I'm gonna put this one on my, ooh, let me show you. I got my thing here. This is my White Nights palette, and I'm probably gonna put more stuffs in the middle here. But it's really bare, so I figured I would put the shark. Okay, where did the shark go? I was holding it and now I'm not. And how did I, oh. And yeah, I'm thinking of putting it like right here. It's so cute. Not in the middle, I don't think. Maybe in the middle, actually. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay. So those were the stickies. These are the stickers. And then some prints. This is the one that I got. Oh my gosh. I love this one. I love the colors. I just love everything about it. Ooh, and it feels really nice. This is really good quality paper, Sandra. Girl, you did good. I'm like so excited. I'm gonna put it up on my wall. It's so cute. And then we got this one. It's a raccoon. I'm so excited for this. I love raccoons. I think this is a raccoon. Yeah, I love raccoons. And then, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, is this an original? This is the original she made for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think for my birthday last year, she drew me this, and then she scanned it and she sent it to me, and I never got around to printing it just because I don't really live anywhere close to like printing services and stuff, so I was gonna get around to it eventually, but she sent me the original. It's Junie girl. She drew Junie, my cat. Oh my god, that's perfect. I'm gonna put him up on my wall when I get the chance, but these are so cool. And I got the thank you card. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely putting this up on my wall. You can even like trim the thank you off, like if you wanted to. I'm not going to do that, but you could, and turn it into like a little painting thing. And it would work out well because like the space between here and here and here and here would be similar if you just cut off the thank you, but I love it the way it is. So it says, hey Christina, I hope this reaches you before your B-Day. Sending you love, hugs and love. I'm gonna cover this because it's like percentages. Okay. So many goodies, so many goodies. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Ugh, I'm gonna have to figure out where to put all of them now. I'm so excited. But like, look how pretty this thing is. Like, I cannot get over. I'm in love with this print so much. It just like, it just works, you know, like the red, there's like the blues with the red, and and it's like there's a bit of red here, and then, you know, there's like a little bit of red here, so there's I'm in love. I'm in love. I love it so much. Maybe one day I will frame it, but for now it's just gonna go on my wall as is. I'll have to be careful not to like let it bend though, because you know when you put stuff on your wall it kind of like so how cute is this? Okay. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, I forgot about this. It also comes with it comes with the little Mayoli cat sticker. Oh my god, please focus. Oh my god. I have so many things to stick to places. Check out her shop. I'll put it in the link below. I ended up putting the art prints and stuff in the corner on the wall where I had just some empty space, and I love it so much. I didn't want to like frame them or do anything more serious because I am moving in a month, but it still feels really nice to like have the wall space filled because it was really bare to me beforehand, so I'm happy about that. Thank you so much, Sandra. And other than that, it's been a really snowy time here in Toronto recently. We got so much snow, and let me just show you. You look like a you look like a dumpling.
Wow, she a runner, she a track star.
Resistance training. Ready?
You look like you have no legs. Stop! You look like, what's it called, the gingerbread man when someone eats their arms.
Wait, let me try to do a snow angel.
Okay, go ahead. I'm fucking dead.
Also, Junie has been doing fine, and by fine I mean she's been angry at the world because of the snow. Still up to her usual bullshit.
She's fucking it up.
But just like a lot more of it because she has to be inside a lot more now. I'm trying to keep these vlogs a little bit shorter, so I'll include more of her outside in the snow in the following one. I'll see you later, friends. Thanks for watching. Give a like if you want a piece of algorithm gods.